In August 2025, we visited Alaska to photograph the scenery and wildlife. Here are some images from the best day of our trip. We took one of the last boat tours of the season from Seward, Alaska to the glacier at the end of the Northwestern Fiord. It was a cold, clear day with fortunately calm seas. The scenery was spectacular as we traveled through Resurrection Bay. We chanced upon a group of sea otters taking it easy, just floating around. We saw quite a few bald eagles. As we exited Resurrection Bay, we gazed upon Bear Glacier. We reached Spire Cove with its interesting rock islands. We encountered huge pods of orcas. We have always wanted to take pictures of puffins, we just didn't expect to see them here. We entered the Northwestern Fiord. It was named by researchers from the Northwestern University in Illinois. A Bonaparte's gull flew with us. I just watched the scenery slide by. We finally reached Northwestern Glacier at the end of the fjord. There were a lot of seals hanging out at the end of the fjord. As well as another tour boat. We said goodbye to the glacier and headed back to port through the fjord. We found another group of sea otters just taking it easy. It was a beautiful, relaxing voyage that we were glad we did not miss.